Welcome to Stockholm. Stockholm is one of Europe's most stunning cities, spread across 14 islands and connected by over 50 bridges. It's a city where centuries-old history meets cutting-edge modernity, offering incredible architecture, world-class museums, breathtaking waterfront views, and a unique Nordic charm. From walking through medieval streets in Gamla Stan to exploring Viking history, experiencing Swedish Fika culture, and enjoying the vibrant nightlife, there's something here for every traveler. In this video, we're breaking down 10 must-do activities in Stockholm that will make your trip unforgettable. Stick around until the end because we've got some insider tips to help you explore like a local. Let's dive in. 1. The heart and soul of Stockholm is Gamla Stan, one of the best preserved medieval old towns in Europe. Walking through its narrow, winding cobblestone streets, you'll be surrounded by colorful buildings, charming cafes, hidden courtyards, and centuries-old history. One of the main highlights here is Stortorget, the city's oldest square lined with iconic, brightly colored buildings. Nearby, you'll find Stockholm Cathedral, home to the famous wooden sculpture of Saint George and the Dragon. Gamla Stan is also where you'll find the Royal Palace, one of Europe's largest royal residences, with over 600 rooms and several museums inside. Make sure to catch the changing of the guard ceremony, a daily event showcasing Swedish military tradition. Visit Gamla Stan early in the morning to avoid crowds and enjoy the quiet beauty of the medieval streets. 2. One of the most famous museums in Scandinavia, the Vasa Museum houses a perfectly preserved 17th century warship that sank on its maiden voyage in 1628. This incredibly detailed and massive ship was recovered from the seabed 333 years later and is now displayed in near-perfect condition. Walking around the Vasa, you'll be amazed at the intricate carvings, towering mast, and the history behind this ill-fated ship. The museum also features interactive exhibits, artifacts, and stories of the people who sailed on board. Get here early to beat the crowds. This is Stockholm's most visited museum for a reason. 3. Djurgården is a beautiful island filled with top attractions, lush parks, and scenic walking paths. This is the perfect place to escape the city's hustle and enjoy nature, history, and entertainment. Some of the top attractions here include Skansen, the world's first open-air museum, featuring traditional Swedish homes, workshops, and a Nordic wildlife park where you can see moose, reindeer, and bears. ABBA, the museum, a paradise for music lovers. This interactive museum lets you sing, dance, and experience the world of Sweden's most famous band. Gröna Lund, Stockholm's iconic amusement park, featuring roller coasters, carnival rides, and live concerts in the summer. If you prefer a relaxing afternoon, walk along the waterfront and enjoy the stunning views of the city skyline. Rent a bike to explore the island at your own pace and discover hidden trails and scenic spots. 4. Stockholm's subway system isn't just a way to get around, it's an underground art gallery. Almost every station features incredible murals, sculptures, and colorful designs, turning a simple metro ride into an art experience. Some of the most famous stations to check out are T-Centrale, with its iconic blue and white cave-like paintings, Stadion, featuring a massive rainbow painted across the walls, Rådhuset, designed to look like an ancient underground cavern. Buy a 24-hour metro pass and explore multiple stations in one day. 5. Stockholm City Hall is one of the city's most famous landmarks and a must-visit for its stunning architecture and panoramic views. This is where the Nobel Prize banquet is held every year, in the Grand Blue Hall. You can take a guided tour to explore the Golden Hall, decorated with mosaics made of over 18 million pieces of gold, and climb the City Hall Tower for one of the best views in Stockholm. Visit in the late afternoon to catch a gorgeous sunset view over the city from the tower. 6. If you love photography and contemporary art, Fotografiska is a must-visit. This world-famous museum showcases incredible exhibitions from some of the best photographers in the world. The museum also has one of Stockholm's best cafes, offering stunning waterfront views. Visit in the evening. The museum stays open late and the cafe is the perfect spot to enjoy a drink with a view. 7. You can't visit Stockholm without experiencing Fika, the Swedish tradition of taking a break with coffee and pastries. Some of the most popular Swedish treats include cinnamon buns, kanelbullar, a must-try Swedish classic; princess cake, a delicious cake layered with cream and marzipan; chokladbollar, chocolate oat bowls covered in coconut. Fika isn't just about the food, it's about slowing down and enjoying the moment. 8. Stockholm isn't just a city. It's part of a massive archipelago made up of over 30,000 islands, each offering stunning scenery, charming fishing villages, and untouched nature. Taking a boat tour through the Stockholm Archipelago is one of the best ways to experience the city from a different perspective. Whether you choose a sunset cruise, a kayaking adventure, or a historical steamboat tour, the calm waters and scenic landscapes will make this an unforgettable experience. For the most budget-friendly option, take one of the public ferries that locals use daily. It's a cheap way to explore the archipelago. 9. Sweden is home to one of the most prestigious awards in the world, the Nobel Prize. The Nobel Prize Museum, located in Gamla Stan, is dedicated to the incredible people and groundbreaking discoveries that have shaped science, literature, and peace movements around the world. Inside the museum, you'll find interactive exhibits, historical documents, and personal artifacts from past winners, including Albert Einstein, Malala Yousafzai, and Marie Curie. You can also explore short films, rotating exhibits, and even an installation of signed chairs from Nobel laureates, each symbolizing the contributions these geniuses have made to the world. Flip your coffee cup over at Bistro Nobel. Many past Nobel winners have signed the bottom of the cups. 10. If you want to experience Stockholm like a local, head over to Södermalm, also known as Söder. This trendy, artsy neighborhood is packed with vintage stores, craft coffee shops, boutique art galleries, and some of the best nightlife in the city. It's the perfect place to wander, shop, eat, and soak in Stockholm's creative energy. Start your visit at Sofo, south of Folkungagatan, an area known for its independent fashion boutiques, vinyl record stores, and quickie design shops. If you're looking for Scandinavian-style clothing, handmade jewelry, or unique souvenirs, this is the place to be. Visit Södermalm on a weekend afternoon for the best experience. It's when the local markets, cafes, and bars are the most vibrant. That's a wrap on the top 10 things to do in Stockholm. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you never miss our next adventure. Tell us in the comments what kind of video you would like to see on our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.